everyone, this is a video review made by Tomtop. As you can see from this picture, this is a calendar, and you can also create a clock. It has a flat screen and also rotate part. The rotate part has a projection. You can project the time on the screen. As you can see, as you move near or far, the size will turn. And also, if you want to adjust the time, date, and the other things, you can use these buttons. This is mode button, up and down. In the mixing, this she can show you the humidity and the temperature. The color screen will show you the time, humidity, and also temperature. So it is a very multifunctional clock. Also very portable. This holder will keep it stand on the desk.